just sit here and cry.
Yes!
You did good. Real good.
Thanks, Dad. Daryl. I spent so much of my time here at Dunder Mifflin thinking about my old pals, my college a cappella group. The weird thing is, now I'm exactly where I want to be. I got my dream job at Cornell, and I'm still just thinking about my old pals. Only now they're the ones I made here. I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old days before you've actually left them. Someone should write a song about that.
You take something ordinary, like a piece of paper. It's not much, but if you see it in the right way, and that's what you did with this documentary. But seriously, you made a 9-year documentary and you couldn't once show me doing my origami.
Oh. I saw a friend today, it had been a while, and we forgot each other's names, but it didn't matter, 'cause deep inside, the feelings still remain the same.
Imagine going back and watching a tape of your life. You could see yourself change and make mistakes and grow up. You could watch yourself fall in love, watch yourself become a husband, become a father. You guys gave that to me. And that's an amazing gift.
Hey, Jim, remember Flonkerton when you did Office Olympics? It was awesome.
Thanks, Phil.
I still have my medal from that.
Do you even have a mattress?
No, but I still have my medal from that.
Oscar, I think I'm gay.
Why do you say that?
It's just that I'm so emotional.
No, you're not gay. You're not gay.
No, but maybe the
You're
reason...
not gay.
All the faces that I know have that same familiar glow. I think I must have known them somewhere once before.
How did you do it?
All the
How did you capture what it was really like? How we felt, and how we made each other laugh, and how we got through the day. How did you do it? Also, how do cameras work?
Every day when I came into work, all I wanted to do was leave. So why in the world does it feel so hard to leave right now?
It all seems so very arbitrary. I applied for a job at this company because they were hiring. I took a desk at the back because it was empty. But no matter how you get there or where you end up, human beings have this miraculous gift to make that place home. Let's do this.
I just feel lucky that I got a chance to share my crummy story with anyone out there who thinks they're the only one to take a dump in a paper shredder. You're not alone, sister. Let's get a beer sometime.
I'm happy that this was all filmed so I can remember everyone and what we did. I worked for a paper company all these years and I never wrote anything down.
I sold paper at this company for 12 years. My job was to speak to clients on the phone about quantities and types of copier paper. Even if I didn't love every minute of it, everything I have, I owe to this job. this stupid, wonderful, boring, amazing job.
I thought it was weird when you picked us to make a documentary. But all in all, I think an ordinary paper company like Dunder Mifflin was a great subject for a documentary. There's a lot of beauty in ordinary things. Isn't that kind of the point?
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!